Withdraw up to 2 Litecoins daily with proof of withdrawal shown in the video. Using this site you see, at least $140 to $170 is deposited instantly into your account daily, into your wallet, and you can quickly withdraw and have your income. As you can see, I will show you with proof of withdrawal that the Litecoins deposited for me are also deposited into your account. And I will show you with proof in the video. I really love you all, my cook. Let's go to the site, and I'll show you how to register on the site. Hello to my dear friends, nice you. Welcome to a video in the field of earning dollars. My name is Rosa, and you have entered the This Mining Dollar channel, and I will teach you in this channel how to achieve a stable dollar income and earn a very good income through these mining sites. So, as you can see, click on the deposit option, and in this section, you can make your own investment. But I do not recommend such a thing to you at all. Why? Because guys, be careful. You are investing, and investing is considered a very delicate task. And if you lose your capital, you will never be able to enter this market again and achieve a good dollar income. So what is my suggestion to you? Do not invest, and through the free videos I create for you and the content production I do for you, you can set a target of at least $100 daily income for yourself and achieve a very good dollar income through my free videos. Well, if you like the video right now, hit like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Continue the video explanations and referral cut inside. As you can see, by clicking on the referral section, we take our referral link and share it with acquaintances, friends, and family. By using this link, you can see the site and create your own network of referrals, significantly increasing your dollar income. I promise you that by using this site and the dollar income method I teach you, you can achieve financial independence in your life. Through the withdrawal section you see, the minimum withdrawal amount is 1/10 of a Litecoin, or the digital currency LTC UMPA, allowing you to earn a very good income through this mining site. Let's move on to the next section. As you can see, the mining section of this site operates based on the time and type of your phone performing the mining for you. You can increase the number of hash rates or hash power or your mining power depending on your phone and the investment you make, thereby boosting your mining capability. So you can increase the dollar income you desire. With the site I introduced to you, you can achieve financial independence. If you enjoyed my previous videos, make sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to new videos, and definitely watch these 2 previous videos so you can, by watching videos, and very, very easily earn $4 with each click. Make sure to watch those videos so you can have a really good dollar income for yourself just with a mobile phone. I've given you the complete training, so you can use these 3-4 minute videos that I prepare for you. Experience a lot of amazing income. Soon I will set up a YouTube channel, a Telegram channel for you, so that you can connect with me through that Telegram channel. I really love you all. Until another video, goodbye for now.